Hey everyone, welcome to another episode. Today we're going to talk about Deere, John Deere. In the latest quarterly earnings report, John Deere reported earnings per share of roughly $2.92. A year earlier, the company actually reported earnings of $3.87. So quarterly earnings were up 28.07%. The agricultural equipment manufacturer surpassed the market by posting earnings of $4.12 per share in the quarter ago instead of that $3.82, delivering earnings of 7.85%. Very impressive. Right now, the company topped the consensus earnings estimate for the last four times over the last 4 quarters. Based on recently released numbers, the future of earnings expectations, the stock's immediate price movement will likely depend on the management's comments on the earnings call, right? So since the beginning of the year, John Deere shares have gained 11%, compared to the S&P 500, which is sitting at that minus 8.1% as of yesterday morning. Now, an increase of about $407 million in production costs was only partially offset by $244 million of increased realized prices. That's for the agricultural equipment division. Now, the small agricultural equipment division followed a very similar price cost pattern, and the construction equipment prices actually increased faster than the costs did. So they did a good job there. Now, John Deere's performance in the first quarter, this is a quote by the way, Deere's performance in the first quarter was impressive given the production issues surrounding the delayed ratification of UAW contract in late November, as well as persistent changes posted by the supply chain and pandemic. The CEO, John May, in the company's news release. The factors led to higher production costs in the quarter. We continue to work closely with key suppliers and manage the situation, enabling our customers to deliver food production and critical infrastructure. Now, for some time now, the company's tractors, combines have been in pretty high demand, so those cashed up farmers, have been able to afford to buy new equipment this year or upgrade their machinery, and this is mainly due to record high crop prices, which has really fueled the incomes of these customers. Now, revenues and net sales worldwide rose by 5% in the first quarter to $9.6 billion. In the first quarter of 2021, equipment operations net sales stood around $8.5 billion, so up from $8 billion. So really impressive things here. It'll be interesting to see how John Deere goes going into the future. I want to see Caterpillar's earnings when they come out, because when people think of like these big equipment companies, they think of John Deere for the farming industry and they think of Caterpillar for the construction industry. So I'm really keen to see, if Caterpillar, how they went, did they rise? I'm going to say right now that I'm 100% sure they raised costs, but did they raise them quick enough to balance out those expenses? So thanks for watching today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more.